First, we have to make the barbecue sauce. All right, already I combined a cup of orange juice, a stick of butter, a half a cup of sugar, and a quarter cup of vinegar and about 2 tablespoons of mustard. I mixed that up, brought it to the boil, and simmered for about 20 minutes. Now, I'm going to add a cup of ketchup, a dash of hot sauce. Now then, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, that said, let's get into what we need to do today, and that is an Orange BBQ double quarter pounder. All right, let's make the patties first. These are quarter-pound patties that I have on the grill over about medium-high heat. I'm adding some smoked sea salt to these patties, but regular salt will do the job. Obviously, I've already seasoned the side that's cooking. Now I'm seasoning the other side, and that's freshly ground black pepper. And that's pretty much it for the seasoning. Then we're just going to want to give these patties a couple of minutes to cook up and give them a flip. Then want to give these burgers a flip and check and make sure they're done. Again, about 2-3 minutes aside. Should be more than enough. Then you're going to want to add 1 slice of American cheese. Any cheese you like, but I think American is best for burgers. And then you just want to create a little steam and let the cheese melt. Something a little bit like this. Nice cheese melt. And then we want to toast up our buns. And like an idiot, I didn't have the goddamn camera on when I was assembling the burgers. So we want to toast these buns up. And this is what it looks like when they're done. Basically, assembly is lettuce, patty, bacon, patty, red onions, and topping it all off. Oh, and don't forget the pickles, and topping it all off with the barbecue sauce. So that's the Orange BBQ double quarter pounder. Done.